Number 1. Crest 3D Whitestrips with Light Teeth Whitening Strip Kit. Trusted Crest Whitestrips get a major update in this whitening kit thanks to the addition of a handheld blue light device that penetrates the enamel to target stains. You start the whitening process by applying the flexible whitening strip for 60 minutes, which uses a low dosage of hydrogen peroxide to gently whiten your teeth. The blue light is then applied post-strip for 10 minutes to boost the whitening effects. Not only will your teeth be noticeably whiter after 10 consecutive treatments, but you'll keep seeing the effects for the next 36 months. Number 2. AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit. Rather than a solo blue LED light often used by other brands, AuraGlow's compact light boasts 5 LED bulbs to rapidly speed up the whitening process. Just apply the dental-grade whitening gel, powered by Carbamide peroxide, a combination of urea and hydrogen peroxide, directly to the mouth tray and turn on the LED light. An automated timer turns the light off every 10 minutes, so you can keep track of your treatment's progression and ensure you only use the kit for the recommended 30 minutes at a time. Each kit comes with enough gel for 20+ treatments, with the Dr. KUET-approved 10% dosage of hydrogen peroxide and a storage case. Plus, it has more than 12,800 Amazon reviews from users who say it really works. Number 3. Cali White Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. While the end goal might be a brighter smile, it's just as important to feel good about the process that got you there. Luckily, this powerful whitening gel is not only strong enough to whiten your teeth at least 2 shades brighter in just 1 week, but it also uses a vegan, gluten-free, organic, and kosher formula that's free of parabens and sulfates. You'll also rest easy knowing the mouth tray uses BPA-free plastic, has adequate ventilation, and is designed to minimize gum irritation. Plus, it can easily be attached to any LED light, including the 5 LED lights included in the kit. Number 4. Supersmile Professional Teeth Whitening System. Not a fan of the sometimes slobbery mouth tray method for achieving pearly whites? Ditch the plastic piece and simply brush as normal with Supersmile's toothpaste and whitening accelerator gel duo, which work together to fight cavities, strengthen enamel, and amp up your bright white smile. Plus, the boosting accelerator can also be paired with other whitening toothpastes to help remove surface stains. Number 5. Glow Brilliant Deluxe Teeth Whitening Device Kit. Developed by some of Nick's top aesthetic dentists, the Glow Kit gives you all the supplies you need to achieve a glowing smile at home. The high-end device is powered by the brand's patented Guidelight Optics (GLO), which uses a combination of warm heat and LED lights to accelerate your whitening treatment and remove coffee, tea, wine, and smoking stains. The quick 8-minute applications won't cause tooth sensitivity and is even safe to use on crowns, bridges, and veneers. The best part? This FDA-registered kit is clinically proven to give you whiter teeth in just 5 days.